Ankle injuries and disorders. Introduction. The ankle lets the foot move up and down. Select true or false. Correct. The ankle is a large joint made up of 3 bones. It lets the foot move up and down. Joe fell and twisted his ankle a few days ago. The swelling in the ankle is getting worse and he is having trouble walking. The ankle is also very tender. Should Joe contact his healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Joe should contact his healthcare provider. Can you resume normal activity immediately after a sprain? Select yes or no. Correct. Resting the injured area may help reduce swelling and pain. An ankle fracture can affect any of the 3 bones in the ankle joint. Select true or false. Correct. Most often the tibia or fibula is broken in or near the ankle joint, but sometimes a fracture can affect the talus. There is no cure for most types of arthritis. Select true or false. Correct. Arthritis can be slowed and controlled with medicines and physical therapy, but it cannot be cured. Thank you for using Explain.